Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace an Audi A6 taillight. First, open your trunk and locate the access panel on the side of the tail light assembly. Carefully remove this panel to expose the wiring and mounting bolts. Make sure you have your new tail light ready and all the necessary tools, such as a Torx screwdriver and a trim removal tool, close at hand for a smooth process. Now, with the access panel open, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it apart. Next, use your Torx screwdriver to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that hold the tail light in place. Once the bolts are out, gently but firmly pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the car. Avoid twisting to prevent damage to the clips. With the old tail light removed, take your new Audi A6 tail light assembly. Carefully align it with the mounting holes and the guide pins on the car's body. Push it firmly into place until it sits flush. Reinstall the mounting bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely but do not over-tighten. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks into place for a secure connection. After installing the new tail light, it's crucial to test all its functions. Turn on your headlights, engage the brake, activate the turn signals, and put the car in reverse to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, replace the access panel and close your trunk. You've successfully replaced your Audi A6 tail light. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.